I really missed my grandma, so I created a fictitious reunion with her. My grandma was born on February 14, 1937, and passed away on February 22, 2022. Since then, my grandma disappeared in my world. In ancient China, people believed that dead people would change into something else and return to their loved ones. At the same time, I collected the theory of the soul after death in quantum mechanics and proved the possibility of reuniting with my grandmother. Grandma disappeared in daily life, so I extracted traces of her living space, removing its shape from the 3D space to extract the pattern and conduct dripping. Then, I used the lumen print and Sinotype to extract the silhouette of my grandmother's photos using her favorite photo poses with her favorite shapes of silk scarf to create a butterfly-like pattern. Meanwhile, I did research on the structure shape of butterflies' wings and overlaid the patterns with the humanoid butterfly shape extracted earlier. I took the silhouette of the suit my grandmother wore when she was young as the basis of the conducted dripping. Then, I imitated my grandmother's favorite pose for the video and combined the two images in Touch Designer and transformed them visually, eventually extracting the flipping path left by the hand movement during the wave and extracting the flipping structure from it. In Pattern Design, I used Touch Designer to transform the picture, to show the state of gradual emergence through the slow diffusion of the growing image. I wanted to use the proportion of the pattern on the garment to show the 3 stages from her disappearance to her reappearance and finally to my reunion with her. Then, I used the thermal transfer and bird's eye jacket process to transfer the pattern underneath. As for accessory design, I took the letters that my grandmother and I wrote in pinyin and converted them into dot and line symbols through Morse code. I used AR to project the butterfly model I built into my grandmother's room, so that I can simulate the scene that my grandmother is flying back into the room and interacting with the AR butterfly. Later, I extracted the silhouette based on the intersection of the model and the body. Because I really want to talk with my grandma, I did a lot of research on earphones and designed them. As for scenario design, I imagined this place to be covered with equinox flowers leading to heaven. The design of the base, on which the character stands, is inspired by the abstract transformation of my grandmother's favorite Mykinia champaca. Butterflies fly by, and the flower goes through 3 stages, from budding to full bloom. I meet my grandma again in the dream.